Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can remove a path effect from an object or text box in Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this example document or canvas here. And let me apply, let's say, an effect to this text box. I don't know, for example, this one here, sketch. Well, as you can see, it doesn't look too nice, so I would like to remove that effect. So one option would be to use the shortcut Ctrl-Z or Command-C on a Mac to undo the effect. Or if you'd like to, for example, if you don't like the undo feature because, let's say, for instance, you have added a lot of path effects and changes and edits, you can do this for all path effects that have been applied to the given object by clicking into Path here at the top and by selecting Remove Path Effect. And this is going to remove any path effects, as you can see, for the selected object. And now, as you can see, the text is, without the applied, which one was it? Bending effect here, or curving effect. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.